So it's morning. I don't know if you can see my head. They don't make tripods tall enough for tall people.
I can see your head.
You can see my head?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So we're just about to go around and just do some farm chores. We're going to feed the dogs, feed the rabbit, hang the clothes up on the line to dry, and then we're going to go do some more pruning of our plum trees and maybe our muscadine vine. So join us for morning in the life of this wannabe homestead. Let's go. Alright, so this is our little makeshift home for the rabbit. We hope to do better eventually, but right now
we're gonna show you the rabbit.
Yay!
This is heavy, isn't it? Hey, rabbit. Oh, you're cute. Oh, come here, girl. I love you.
One of my favorite things to watch is just watching people do their farm chores. I don't know why. Because I've always wanted to have a farm, so we're well on our way. Here he comes. He's hungry. Hungry. You want to come see the people? Come on. Oh. Want to pet her? Oops, let's show her to the camera. So she's a girl. We found out recently that she's a girl, and I have a friend who has a 10-year-old rabbit named Mr. Hopkins, and she wants to breed her with him. So we might do that, but right now we just don't have the space for a lot of rabbits, and I've been down that road. So right now we just keep one, and she's pretty sweet.
And we're gonna get baby rabbits soon.
And Dixie wants baby rabbits. Look at his feet. Look at those feet. He's so sweet petite. So sweet petite. You want good luck? Just rub this foot right here.
And good luck.
Good luck? Rub that foot.
This foot?
Yeah. Oh!
He's so cute.
Now we're going to get him some radishes.
Wait, Mom, can I go jump on my trampoline?
Yes, you may.
Okay, bye, love you.
Love you too. So we're just going to turn around right here. And radish growing everywhere. I could probably put some more down, but I've got carrots and radish here. It's not really growing very fast because it's winter, but it still puts out enough to give him, he doesn't need a lot, just a little snack. We also give him little bits of banana. It's her. Hey. What are you doing? Gonna eat your snack? Ooh. She loves it. I just love my rabbit. And seriously, the amount of fertilizer that I get from her, it's ridiculous. I've showed this in a video before, but I don't know if you can see that very well. That's just all fertilizer, you guys. Alright, so we're back at it, and we're going to prune this plum tree. I got my kids to help me. So, our main goal is, I've already cleaned these with bleach again. This time I used bleach solution. Our goal is to make the tree like this, so that all of the fruit can get sun, wait a second, and just take off a lot of the extra. So, I am no expert, like I said, but I try to prune anything that's growing straight up, because those are suckers. And just try to clear it. So, yeah, let's go. Alright, we finished this one. We took it pretty far. Here's everything that came off of it. Ready to move on to the next one. Two, three, 4 littles, and the big tree all got cut. And if you take a look over here, this is the pile that we made. Okay, so this is the pile that we made. Come here. This is my helper, Ain't in Danger. Good job. Thank you. I don't know about you, but I feel really satisfied looking at this.
I know, my hands hurt.
We cut all this off and hauled it all over here, and eventually we'll go burn this. So it's really pokey. I don't know if you've ever messed with plum trees, but they're really pokey. So anyway, high five. You earned your video games.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe. Wow, that's a lot. Happy orchard. Still have to come out with the ladder and do a little more, but that's it for today. Woo.